Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni professional espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to disassemble the entire thing, everything you see right here, and replace those O-rings inside the machine. This is from the portafilter gasket, these two are from the piston, these two are from the side glass. This is the side glass, older side glass. This is from the piston as well, steamer, water tank knob, and a couple of other ones as well in here. We're gonna also replace these steam cover inside the machine. We also noticed that this power switch, while it's still working, if you press it right here, you can kind of see that it moves back and forth. So it might actually, it's best to replace. It's definitely going to break. It's best to replace. So we replace it with a newer one, the one that you see right here. This one does not do that, and yeah, that's all what we did. We replaced the gaskets on the machine, deep clean everything from the groove head. It was very dirty as well. It was super dirty inside the groove head, so I cleaned completely everything. I also put the portafilter and cafesa, and I'm gonna do that again after we do these espresso shots for just to have the portafilter clean. So we're gonna be doing an espresso shot. I know that I don't have the best settings for this machine, so we might actually see the coffee just shooting straight from the portafilter itself, but if that happens, then we'll just redo the shot. Now this machine requires you to tamper very well and to have the perfect grind for this machine. Otherwise, whenever you raise this lever, all that pressure coming from the boiler is going to shoot through here, and it's going to shoot through the coffee. That's the reason it needs to be very well tampered. It needs to be very well grind, because if it's not, then it's just going to shoot through here. So let's do a shot. Perfect. There you go, we got coffee, and now we can push. Thankfully the grind is pretty good for the Pavoni. I thought it was going to be too coarse for it, but even so, we got a nice layer of crema coming out on top of the espresso shot. As you can see, nice shot of espresso. I thought it was gonna shoot. I didn't use a very fine grind. As you can see, the steamer from the machine is amazing. Excellent pressure coming out from the machine. Really great temperature. Working excellent. There's no leaks coming out from the machine or anything, and the pressure is stable at 1.2 bars, which is perfect. So there you have it, La Pavoni Professional working once again and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.